Greetings, brothers, sisters, friends, and foes. This is Bill from Agape on the Streets. Wow, worked hard today, and just checking in with you real quick, show you what I'm up to. Love every one of you. God bless you. Hope you enjoy. Well, it was a beautiful Friday here at camp in Quartzsite. Did a lot of cleaning up on the outside here. I had all those bins out here and stuff, and went through everything, organized it, stuck a lot of stuff up on the truck. And getting ready, trip to Flagstaff here fairly soon, where I'm going to do some audiovisual stuff with the church up there. And then my neighbor here, Richard, is going to take care of camp here for me. He's going to keep his eyes on my stuff. So I'm just going to keep everything set up here and take a bus on out. Mostly worked on my truck yesterday. I did make a trip out the day, or that morning actually. Yeah, it was Thursday. Wow, it's just going really fast, getting a lot of stuff done. But Thursday morning, went to Lake Havasu, got mail and packages and stuff, came back, and I had the parts. So I replaced the steering stabilizer, and there was some other issues under my truck with suspension and stuff, and lubed that all up, got that going. Comes to be, I was having issues because it's an F450. I was getting F450 parts on my front end, and my front suspension is actually a F550. It took me a little bit to figure that out. And I go, wait a minute, this is bigger than it's supposed to be, and yep, all the 550 stuff fits it, which is a blessing in disguise because that means this truck can handle even more. This is a pretty darn strong truck, so I'm still praying, Lord, what do you want me to do with this thing besides pull this trailer? It's insured now, everything's going. And we'll see what doors open as I work with the brothers and sisters in Flagstaff this next week. Camp is starting to fill up. We got what we call the schoolies, guys in the school buses. There's the ambulance guys, van life, all kinds of stuff coming in here. And it's starting to get busy, so we're just praying that God just keeps this under control here. This camp can get a little crazy into December. It starts getting pretty wild, so we're praying that it stays under control. We don't have any issues, but my neighbor seems like he's ready to deal with it, so praise God that God put us together here. And as always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. Looking right now for more churches that need help with audiovisual. Get a hold of me. I can tell you about my experience. I started this stuff when I was 16 years old, so I know my way around that stuff quite well, especially the systems engineering side of it. If you got a church that needs some help, I'd love to talk to you and do it as kind of a ministry type thing. I'll be up in Flagstaff for about a week, and then I'll be back down here, and if I have to grab a part-time job or something, there's some doors open there, and we'll see what God does with that. But God bless every one of you. I love you. Get a hold of me, agapeonthestreets.com. Go to the Telegram link. That's always the best way to get a hold of me. I check that every day. And I love to hear from you. Love to connect with you. God bless you. Bye-bye.